Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and become family. You will get educational tutorials.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here. Today, we will explore some important vocabulary concepts. Our first slide introduces a keyword, abundant. We'll look at words that are closest in meaning to it. For example, the options are rare, scarce, plentiful, and limited. And the correct answer is plentiful. It means available in large quantity. So, let's keep that idea in mind as we move forward. Thank you for being here. Now, let's look at an example of antonyms, or words with opposite meanings. The slide asks us to choose the opposite of optimistic. When we think about optimistic, we consider words like hopeful, positive, or cheerful, words that reflect a positive outlook. But in this case, the correct answer is D, pessimistic. Pessimistic is the direct opposite of optimistic. It reflects a negative outlook. Understanding these antonyms helps us grasp how words relate to each other and enhances our vocabulary. Remember, recognizing opposites is not just about memorizing. It's about understanding how concepts contrast, which is key in effective communication. This idea ties into the broader theme of how language shapes perception and attitude. Let's take a look at this sentence. The scientist was praised for her approach. Now, the options are careless, systematic, random, and hesitant. When we think about a scientist being praised, it's usually for their careful and organized method. So, which one of these options best fits that description? Yes, it's B, systematic. The word systematic means organized and logical, which is exactly what we want in a scientific approach. A systematic method shows thoroughness and structure, leading to reliable results. This highlights the importance of being organized and methodical in research. So the key takeaway here is that being systematic, meaning organized and logical, often earns praise in scientific work because it ensures clarity and accuracy. This ties into our overall theme of effective research strategies and best practices. Let's look at this analogy. Teacher is to school as doctor is to what? Think about it, teachers work in schools, right? It's their workplace. So what about doctors? Where do they typically work? That's right, hospitals. So just like a teacher's primary place of work is a school, a doctor's primary workplace is a hospital. This analogy highlights the relationship between a profession and its corresponding workplace. It's a simple but effective way to understand how different roles connect to their environments.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment for more videos.